Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Have you ever had an utang na loob with anyone? You know, the Filipino value of utang na loob refers to an obligation to appropriately repay a person who has done a favor. This value, however, is impossible to quantify, hindi mabilang, because it involves a deep personal and internal dimension. In other words, ang utang na loob ay ang obligasyon na nararamdaman ng isang tao na muling bayaran o ibalik sa isang taong gumawa ng pabor para sa iyo. And maybe at some point in our lives, we have also experienced this. Tinulungan ka sa oras ng pangangailangan, binigyan ka sa oras na walang-wala ka, nilapitan ka sa oras na wala ka na ibang makapitan. And then there was that urge inside yourself to repay that person who has done a very good deed to you. Dear friends, we heard in the gospel today about Jesus expelling evil inside a person. And take note, this is not just a single evil spirit. Ang sabi po, it is a legion, an army, isang grupo, isang batalyon ng masasamang espiritu ang sumanib doon sa taong ito. And you know, just near picturing out this scenario in the gospel is kind of creepy and scary. It happened in the tombs. Hindi mapigilan yung tao kahit ng kadena, nagsisisigaw, sinasaktan ng sarili gamit ang mga bato. And so, just imagine the pain and suffering of that person who has experienced this in his life. At heto po si Jesus, walang ka-effort na pinalayas ang masamang espiritu. And so just imagine the relief and the peace that person had experienced. At ito po yung maganda. Kasi after the healing, ang sabi, then the man went off and began to proclaim in the Decapolis what Jesus had done for him. And he pleaded to remain with Jesus. Nagpuri siya sa Diyos, nagpasalamat, at ipinagkalat sa buong lugar nila kung gaano kabuti ang Diyos. Sabi niya siguro sa sarili niya, ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa Diyos, kaya dapat ko itong ibalik sa Kanya. Dear friends, isn't it that sometimes also in our lives, whenever we feel so blessed and abundant, there is a part of us that wants to give back to Him, or maybe to return God's favor by helping other people. Yung sa dami po ng biyaya at grasya na ating tinatanggap kung atin lamang pong bibilangin, nais nating magbalik sa Diyos o tumulong sa ating kapwa. To pay it forward. The Lord has been so kind and gracious to us that we only want to share and help other people as well. All of us, dear friends, have experienced being healed by God in many different ways or aspects in our lives. And I think the Lord does this to us that we may also share with other people. Much is received, much is also needed to be shared. Amen.